Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to understand more about the public cloud. So, public cloud runs over the open internet and you may not even know where is your application and where your data physically exists. Some consider this as less secure as the resource may be multi-tenant, meaning that they are shared concurrently among many users. For example, storage devices may be partitioned and one partition may contain data from one company while the another partition may hold that of a different company. Or one computer may service multiple accounts. However, public clouds doesn't require you to purchase hardware and software, and you don't have to supply data center space or maintain systems. Thus, the concept of avoiding capital expenses is the core value of leveraging a public cloud. And these days, security is top of mind of the major cloud providers whose servers are constantly patched with latest updates. On-premises server may not be as quickly patched depending on the on-site IT team. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will understand about the community cloud. Thank you.